Hello everyone, myself Tamanna Daya and currently I am working as assistant teacher in CMC School, Sector 23, Rohini. Here I am to discuss my experiences with Copilot, how it have helped me in making my teaching really interesting and effective. So I would like to share my views along with some of the works that I have did with Copilot. Language is something we need to focus a lot upon with, especially when we are dealing with students of primary classes, because just reading is never sufficient for kids. We need to make them enable enough to read with understanding, and comprehension passage is a great tool for that. Using textbooks only for passage can never be effective in classroom if we really want to keep our students engaged in learning. So I use Copilot in making a comprehension passage for my kids, and that did wonders in the worksheet. As you can see here, passage is there along with really beautiful and colorful pictures that students were really engrossed with the worksheet and they actually wanted to solve it on their own. Then I can give variety of instruction to it to add various questions, a variety of questions including multiple choice questions where students are supposed to evaluate each and every option to know whether what they understood relates to that or not. Then short answer questions, grammar questions, uh, vocab based questions, along with creative writing, that students do not just read what was written but they can share their ideas related to this content on their own. So here, using the worksheet, I prominently used flipped instruction, the time which I might have used in my classroom for looking up for a comprehension passage, framing the questions based on it, making them according to the level of my kids. That would have taken a lot of time. But this platform really saved that time of mine, and I utilized that entire time in discussing it with my kids, in taking up their ideas and helping them improvising their expressions and how they can do better in it. And it's not only about English, but the worksheets can be made in Hindi language as well, because I think most of the teachers have this perspective that technology can never help them in Hindi language. There are certain language barriers, but Copilot have crossed those barriers very well. So these worksheets can be made in Hindi as well. Then uh, to make students understand anything better, because again it comes to younger kids are very easily influenced by things which are colorful, which are interactive, something pictorial. As we say that a picture is worth 1,000 words, so we can never just speak in front of students and they will not listen to us for a longer period of time. So it's really difficult to keep them engrossed with ourselves. For example, in EVS we were discussing crops, and we were discussing Rabi and Kharif crops. So if I just went to the classroom and started labeling, Rabi crops are grown in so and so season, Kharif crops are grown in so and so season, and these are the Rabi crops, these are the Kharif crops, and learn this list. That class would have been very boring for students and they would surely haven't learned anything from that. So I used this platform and made a worksheet like it. You can see the instruction that I gave was very simple. I just asked Copilot to make a colorful worksheet for students, which will help them in understanding the difference between Rabi and Kharif crop. That was just the instruction that I gave, and this was the worksheet that I received. We can explain the pictures, because usually students mind is like a camera. Whatever they see, that gets clicked within them. So if we are discussing Rabi crops, how I explain the worksheet with students is see, the farmer is wearing a shawl and it's a sunny day, though it might be winter. So Rabi crop is something which is grown in winter season, and Kharif crop, it's raining. So Kharif crop is something which is grown in monsoon season. So this is how I discussed it with my kids about which are rabi crops, which are kharif crops. So whenever someone will be asking them about the crops, or any question came from this topic in the exam, they will quickly click, that picture will be clicked in their mind, and they will have idea ki, okay, the farmers was had put on a shawl, and in the other picture it was raining, rabi was written here, kharif was written here, there was monsoon season, there was autumn season. So that in this entire picture will get clicked in their mind, and they won't have to cram the things up, they won't have to learn, rather they will understand and they can apply this learning anywhere. Then as a teacher, our responsibility, especially as a primary teacher, responsibility is not restricted only to complete the syllabus, to make students go through language or EVS, or to make them learn how to add, how to multiply, and how to divide. We need to develop various skill among students as well. And one important skill is life skill, such as maintaining personal hygiene and all. So I use this platform for making these life skill worksheets as well. The last work that I did with the co-pilot was making this worksheet on personal hygiene, and I really need not to give very detailed instructions. That I would say that giving instructions took a lot of time of mine. No, just a simple instruction that these are some of the habits that I need to develop in my students, and please make a worksheet, a colorful pictorial worksheet or a poster regarding the same, and this is the result that I got. So making students instruct them again and again ki, okay, it's lunch time, go and wash your hands. Why can't we make student inculcate those habits on their own? And I presented them on the smart board. We had a detailed discussion on personal hygiene, and students came with various ideas. They themselves were like, yes ma'am, we should wash our hands, because if we will eat with dirty hands, we will get stomach ache. And students were like, yes ma'am, I had stomach ache there, we should not eat outside, we should brush before going to teeth, otherwise our teeth will get rotted. And this is how students reacted. So these worksheets really made my students very engaging. They are always ready to share their ideas, and co-pilot is something which I am really very thankful to, for making my teaching impressive, or at least better than before. I am still working on it to learn more about from it. Thank you.